Are you tired of that embarrassing TikTok name you picked or wanna switch to something cool and trendy? Well, in the next 1 minute, I'm gonna show you how to change your TikTok name super fast. And guess what? You don't wanna mess this up because TikTok has limits. So stick around till the end or you might get stuck with that cringy name for a month. So hello everyone, welcome back to our new video and let's start the video. Alright, open your TikTok app first. But wait, don't just start clicking, let me guide you step by step. Now down at the bottom right corner you will see your profile icon. Tap on it and here you can see your profile. Now hit the edit profile button. This is where you can change your display name and your username. So now if you want to change your username you can change from here also. But for this video tap on the name to change your display name. Type whatever you want. Wanna be rockstar vibes? Go for it. After typing that new name, hit save and that's it. You are officially rebranded. So that's it for this video. If this video helped you then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye. See you all in the next video.